A former state official who was convicted of embezzling tens of thousands of dollars is now in the clear. This after the state Supreme Court weighed in and ruled there was a problem with the way her charges were filed. News 13's Jessica Baron is live in the Newsplex with details.
Demesia Padilla served in former Governor Susana Martinez's administration and resigned in 2016. In 2021, she was convicted of embezzlement, but today her convictions were thrown out because of a legal technicality.
A case of a top state official accused of stealing money.
Those are the cases that you want no mistakes to occur in, and this was one that a significant mistake occurred in.
A mistake that led to a years-long legal battle involving the state's former Tax and Revenue Secretary. Demesia Padilla was convicted on embezzlement charges after prosecutors presented evidence she stole $25,000 from a client of her accounting firm while she was acting as cabinet secretary. But today, New Mexico Supreme Court ruled the convictions cannot stand because prosecutors took too long to file the charges.
As a result of that, she is a free person, and her record should not reflect that she was ever convicted of a crime.
The state says the embezzlement happened between 2011 and 2013. Then Attorney General Héctor Valderas filed felony charges in 2018, but he originally filed in Santa Fe instead of Sandoval County, where the crime supposedly happened. It wasn't until 2019 the charges were filed in the correct county. After her conviction, Padilla appealed on the grounds the 5-year statute of limitations had run out by the time the charges were filed, meaning she shouldn't have been tried in the first place. The appeals court agreed, and today the Supreme Court upheld their decision.
And in this case, the statute of limitations was not complied with. So she's free.
UNM law professor Joshua Kastenberg says while her record is wiped clean, the decision doesn't speak to Padilla's guilt or innocence.
The evidence that was used against her is still there, and the public can judge for themselves what they want to use that evidence for. But in the world of criminal law, she should have never been brought to trial in the first place.
The current Attorney General's office reacted to today's decision, saying although they worked hard to uphold the convictions reached by a jury, they respect the Supreme Court's opinion. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Jessica. We also reached out to Demesia Padilla for comments. She says she's grateful that the court ruled in her favor.